नमस्ते, आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। Today we will be celebrating our 75th Independence Day. There is a big celebration each year in New Delhi at Rajkot. National anthem is sung after Prime Minister hoists the flag. Lots of cultural events, flower shedding and Indian Defence Service also conduct a parade on this day. Now we'll see some facts about India and its independence.
Viceroy Lord Mountbatten chose 15 August as Indian Independence Day, although the Indian Independence Act was approved on 18 July 1947, but he chose 15 August as the date of Indian Independence Day as it coincided with the date of Japan surrendering to the Allied forces after World War II.
National flag of India is known as Tiranga, which means tricolor. At the center of the white band there is a wheel with 24 spokes in navy blue color that indicates Dharma Chakra or wheel of law, known as Ashoka Chakra. The saffron color is the symbol of courage and sacrifice. The white color is the symbol of truth, peace and purity, and the green color is the symbol of prosperity. The national flag of India is designed by Pingali Venkaya, who was a freedom fighter from Andhra Pradesh. His design was adopted by Indian National Congress on July 22, 1947.
Another interesting fact is that the song Bharata Bhagya Vidhata was composed in 1911 by Nobel Prize winner Rabindranath Tagore and was later renamed as Jana Gana Mana and was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 24 January 1950.
Another interesting fact about flag is the Indian flag is manufactured and supplied from only one place in the country. KKGSS, located in Dharwad, Karnataka, has the authority to manufacture and supply the Indian flag. According to the Bureau of Indian Standards, the national flag is manufactured only with the hand-spun and hand-woven cotton khadi bunting.
Bikaji Kama was an Adamantine freedom fighter who contributed greatly to the early years of the Indian freedom struggle and also fought for the place of women in society. A dedicated nationalist, she brought the Indian struggle to international attention.
Independence Day signifies a happy day for the country as we could finally attain freedom from the British rule. This day also marks respect for the freedom fighters who lost their lives for the country. Last but not least, I would like to thank to our COVID warriors who fought bravely in the pandemic situation. On this day, we should take an oath that we will always be with our motherland till our last breath. Once again, a happy Independence Day to all.